Hello and welcome to How to Handle Your Hardware, brought to you by HandleKey. Today we're going to look at how to change a lock. So what you'll need is a screwdriver, an Allen key and a new lock. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is remove the handle from one side of the door. You may need to loosen the rub screw on the other side to allow you to get the spindle out. So then you can remove your handle from this side, and since you've loosened the rub screw on the other side, you can also remove the spindle. Okay, so next you're going to remove your lock from the door. All you need to do is take your faceplate off and then you can remove the lock from inside the door. So now you're ready to swap your locks over. Make sure to remember which way your latch is facing so that you can make sure your new lock is facing the same way. So now that your new lock is in, you can fit the spindle and door handle back onto the door. So there you have it, how to change a lock, brought to you by HandleKey. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.